Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I rise today in support of the Veterans Second Amendment Protection Act, a bill that I've supported for the last several Congresses. Second Amendment is a constitutional right for all of us, but it's especially sacred to the men and women who put their lives on the line to protect our Constitution and our way of life. Unfortunately, under current law, many of our service members who use a fiduciary to help them navigate the increasingly complicated Department of Veterans Affairs are automatically labeled as mentally defective, which in this politically correct era is probably not the best way to phrase them, which places them in the FBI's National Instant Criminal Background Check System. This label wrongly denies these veterans their constitutional right to bear arms. The determination for a label of this magnitude should rest with the courts, as this bill ensures, not with the bureaucratic practice, not bureaucrat, as the current practice dictates. And Mr. Speaker, as our colleagues on the other side of the aisle said, they've listed some almost 40,000 people who have a clinical issue that deserves to have a conversation about, of the 174 that are on the list. What about the other 130,000, as the other side has obviously also admitted overreaches and is beyond what should be doing it? Their gratuitous offer to negotiate to fix that, they know, of course, that the current practice of just labeling folks by a bureaucrat would remain in place throughout that negotiation process if it were to ever actually occur. All too often, government bureaucracies fail the very men and women who fought to protect this nation. However, this bill is an easy fix to ensure that veterans aren't further hindered by big government bureaucracies. I urge my colleagues to support the legislation, and I yield.